Hi there! Welcome to this strap stretch practice. You can use a strap or any other cloth like a towel. Now hold onto your strap with both hands, bringing it overhead. Arms are extended. Inhale, expand your chest, and slowly reach to the left, keeping your left arm straight and bending your right arm. Exhale, back to center, and reach to the right, right arm straight, left arm bent. Feel the knots in your shoulders release. Let's repeat a few more times. Exhale, reaching to the right side. Inhale to the center and reaching to the left side. Now let's repeat in silence. Let's move on to our second stretch. Now hold the strap behind your back, arms are extended. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, fold forward from the hips, lifting your arms away from your hips, and inhale, rising up. Exhale, fold, making sure your back is flat and not rounding. Inhale up. This will stretch your upper back and also hamstrings. Let's repeat a few more times. Keep moving in sync with your breath. One more time and rise up. Bring the strap in front of you. Elbows are bent. Deep breath in and extend the arms up as you breathe out. Inhale, bend the elbows, and exhale up. Slowly down and up. Notice the stretch you feel in your sides. Let's repeat a few more times in silence. One more up and release. Now hold the strap behind you. Arms are extended. Keep your posture upright. Inhale and lift the arms up as much as you can. And exhale down. Inhale and up. And exhale down. Notice a gentle stretch in your chest muscles. Now, if this feels intense, it might be because your hands are too close, so try distancing your hands for a gentler stretch. Let's repeat a few more times. One more. Great job. Now sling the strap over your shoulder with your right hand and grab the lower end behind your back with your left hand. Pull the strap up with your right hand so your left hand moves slowly up. You should feel a gentle stretch in your shoulder as you pull up. Now pull the strap down with your left hand. Inhale, pulling up. Exhale, pulling down. Noticing the gentle stretch in your shoulders. Let's take a few more. Let's switch sides. Left hand comes up, right hand down. Inhale, pulling up. Exhale, pulling down. Keep moving in sync with your breath. One more and release. We are already halfway through this practice. Now bring the strap directly in front of you, placing your hands on each end of the strap. Arms are wide. Slowly raise the strap as you breathe in until it comes above your head. Widen your chest. And exhale, lower it down in front of you. Inhale and raise the arms. Exhale and lower down. Let's take a few more. Now we're gonna make this stretch even more challenging, so you might want to distance your hands a little bit more. With your arms wide, raise the strap as you breathe in until it comes above the head, and as you exhale, begin to lower the strap behind your back. Take your time here, avoid sudden sharp movements, take it as slow as you need to. Inhale, raise the strap overhead, and exhale, lower it down in front of you. As I said before, if the stretch is too intense, there is no need to endure it. You can simply distance your hands further. Inhale, raise the arms, and exhale, lower them down. Notice the stretch in your shoulders. Inhale, raise your arms, and exhale, send them back behind your hips. Inhale, lifting the arms, and exhale, lower them down in front of you. Inhale, raise the arms, and exhale, behind your back. Inhale and raise the arms, exhale, and in front of you. Great job. Now let's repeat the first stretch we did. Bring your arms overhead, inhale, and reach to the left, keeping your left arm straight. And exhale, reach to the right, keeping your right arm straight. Inhale, reach to the left. And exhale, reach to the right. Keep going, moving with your breath. Great job. Now release the strap and bring it behind your back. Let's repeat the second stretch we did. With the strap behind your back, extend your arms, deep breath in, and as you breathe out, fold forward from the hips, lifting your arms away from the hips. And inhale, rising up. Exhale, fold, making sure your back is flat. Let's take a few more here. Keep moving with your breath. Great job. Now bring the strap in front of you and place your hands on each end of the strap. Arms are wide. Slowly raise the strap as you breathe in until it comes above your head, and as you exhale, begin to lower the strap behind your back. Take your time, avoid sudden movements. Inhale, raise your arms, and exhale, behind your back. Inhale, bring the arms overhead, and exhale, lower down in front of you. Let's repeat a couple more times. And release. That's it for our strap stretch today. I hope you feel much more relaxed after this class. Don't forget to check out my other classes if you'd like to do more. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.